GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
My health was not that okay that time, but I did not really know about it. I had it, but I didn't know that I have it. I had symptoms here and there, and I was unwell, but I didn't know about the diagnosis. In this entire journey, I made sure that I don't, I think we had this discussion, I told you that I don't behave like a patient at home.
Absolutely, you don't.
I did not in this entire journey. At home, I was all alone. I have a mother at home who's completely dependent on me. And it was a very big shock for her. I've seen crazy, massive crowds, love pouring in, gifts, fan love, everything. But this was, I don't think I will be ever be able to describe it in words. That what it made me feel, that how loved you are, Reena. This was the last I shot before my diagnosis, and I was supposed to start 2 other projects, but of course because of my diagnosis, eventually they had to replace me, which is fair. Something which I have taken back from the show or from the character Lakshmi is her courage. My real life personality somehow attracts all these kind of characters. I was just speaking to someone, I think somewhere, I think when the makers plan a show and if there's a certain character, I will get a call.
Well, there's Samantha who I look up to, you know that. And then I feel like,
She
my
is so,
God.
So strong.
Yeah.
She's given me so much strength.
Yeah.
She's such a strong woman. Checked on me, time and again checked on me. When I was taken in for the surgery, doctor said it'll take 8 hours. And everybody knew, all my family was there in the hospital. But it took 15 hours in the surgery. I remember when they were wheeling me out from the operation theatre to the ICU. In that corridor, I could see at the end near the door, my entire family is standing worried. Only 3 thoughts came in my mind. Pehla, shit, they are all here. Abhi tak they are here. Second thought was, God, in pe kya beeti hogi? 15 hours, मतलब double time, हाँ? कितने बुरे bad thoughts आते हैं आपके दिमाग में?
Absolutely.
कभी-कभी ये भी आता है कि पता नहीं बता भी रहे हैं सही या नहीं बता रहे. And the third thought, Nayan, was, Hina, start.
Well, there's a reason why I'm wearing this shirt today.
Woohoo!
It actually doesn't represent Superman. I think it represents a superhuman who I'm sitting with because her show is coming out, Griya Lakshmi, on Epicon, and there's a beautiful line that comes in the trailer. It says that it's an extraordinary journey of an ordinary woman. I feel that I'm sitting with somebody whose life has been nothing less than extraordinary, and she has been nothing less than extraordinary for anybody. As an emotion, as a person, welcoming Hina Khan in conversation with me only on Galata India. Thank you for doing this, and I love you.
I love you too.
And I want to tell you that, how are you? How are you doing? Now that things are coming back in space, and when I saw you going for the promotions, I felt so happy. And, you've always been this workaholic, right? How do you feel right now, getting back to doing what you always loved doing?
I have to feel good, Nayan. You went all the way to Kali Mandir to pray for me. You got prasad for me in Calcutta. That is very special. I haven't forgotten anything.
Please
so
don't. Okay.
No, don't cut it, okay? You better put it in the story.
Of course I will. Of course.
Yeah, so I have to. I have so many prayers with me. Inshallah, sab theek ho jayega. I am on the road to recovery and getting better each day. It's hard, but it'll pass. It'll pass. I'm glad there are a lot of distractions, or ऐसी distractions bani rahe. Or it makes me feel better. And I feel better.
Hina, I feel like your journey overall from the time you started, even before you started, you've had a journey as a woman, has not been anything less than extraordinary, right? If you look back at that Hina, not knowing you will reach here, get so much love, dua, like appreciation, and you will feel so wanted by so many people, what would you tell that Hina?
That Hina knew this is going to happen.
Wow.
ट्रस्ट मी. वो मतलब वो इंस्टिंक्ट था पहले से कि झंडे गाड़ने हैं, मतलब यू नो ऐसा था. फ्रॉम द टाइम आई वाज बोर्न ना, आई न्यू इट. जब से होश संभाला है मुझे पता था कि मैं कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी करूंगी. मतलब ऑर्डिनरी तो मैं हुई नहीं. नॉट अबाउट, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट माई स्ट्रेंथ और प्रीचिंग और ब्रैगिंग. मतलब in career, I always had this thing that I have to do something really cool and nice, and you know, people will be in awe of me. ऐसा कुछ करना है. So ये सब पहले से पता था. I think what I was not prepared for is this journey I'm dealing with from the past 6-7 months. The amount of love I have been showered with, and I never thought I'm so loved. Never, never. I knew there are fans, millions of fans, you know, wherever we go. I have been dealing with it from the past 15 years. And I've seen crowds, I've seen crazy, massive crowds, love pouring in, gifts, fan love, everything. But this was, I don't think I will ever be able to describe it in words, that what it made me feel, that how loved you are, Reena. And when not just people you know, people you don't know reach out to you, people probably you thought you will ever meet or you won't meet in your life, not from my own fraternity, from television, from Bollywood, you name the celebrity, they have reached out to me.
That's true. We've had that conversation.
You have, yeah. We've had that conversation. They've reached out to me, and I don't know them. I don't know any one of them. And not once. They've checked on me.
Yeah.
Time and again. How are you? What are you doing? How's it going? I was overwhelmed.
But I think, Hina, it's also your karma, because I should tell this out there that first year of COVID, my mother had got COVID, and you got to know because I told you. I have never had an actor like check up on my mother almost every alternate day, that you've called me or you've messaged me and you've checked on my mother. So when you say now that, Ari, you got me this, believe me, when my mother got to know and I told her that, you know, we have to do this, my mother, we were like, yeah, let's go. Because the thing is that you have given so much love, you've given so much positivity and strength to a lot of people. I told you that day also when we met, that knowingly or unknowingly, you don't realize it, but you've been the beacon of hope. No, I realize
it. I do. I realize it. I realize it with time, and it makes me feel good, and it gives me a lot of strength to come out whenever I will.
Yeah.
Because it's not a very simple journey.
Absolutely.
I've had. It's not कि अच्छा एक चीज़ हो गई और उसका इलाज चल रहा है. It's not that simple. I have been dealing with a lot of, I'm okay. Let me again put it, इससे पहले भी मैंने ये बात कही, I am okay. I am on a road to recovery. But my journey is not that simple.
Yeah.
जो whatever is out there, it's not that simple. And it needs a lot of strength and a lot of courage to come out and talk about it. And I will, whenever I will, because I want every woman to hear my story.
Absolutely.
And relate to it, and probably take notes from my journey, whatever notes they can, whatever do's and whatever don'ts, however my journey was. I want to talk about it. Absolutely. When the right time comes.
I will also definitely wait for that right time to speak to you, because over the last few months when I've been talking to you, I never felt like, oh, let me ask her for an interview, because I knew what you were going through. Mm-hmm. And at the same time, I knew how much you wanted to just come back and have something to chew on, right? Because you're an artist. You're a true blue artist. That is never going to stop, because the 2-hour conversation that we've had that time, I remember that you were talking to me. Now, this was the show when you were shooting, when you got those first kind of symptoms, if I'm not. You had told me that. You were shooting in Haldwani, if I'm not. Yeah. How did you continue to shoot? And it is such a power-heavy, action-heavy show. You continued shooting.
Yeah, because I think commitment for me is everything. And I think I have proved it enough now.
Yeah,
I don't really have to talk about it. Commitment means everything to me, and if I'm committed, I'll go ahead, I'll finish it, and then I will. And it wasn't, of course, my health was not that okay that time, but I did not really know about it. I had it, but I didn't know that I have it. I had symptoms here and there, and I was unwell, but I didn't know about the diagnosis. I definitely had it because I could feel it.
Yeah.
Which is why I straight up came to Bombay and got myself tested, because I could feel it.
Yeah.
So, but I continued because that's how a professional actor will take it forward. And sometimes you're not that serious about things. Na? You're like कि हाँ ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं है, अभी जाएंगे टेस्ट कराएंगे, कुछ नहीं, कुछ होगा इधर उधर. But nobody thinks ना कि ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है, ऐसा कुछ आपकी जिंदगी में हो जाएगा. तो इधर उधर हेल्थ इधर उधर हेवायर थी. आई वॉज जगलिंग फ्रॉम वन शूट टू अनदर, चंडीगढ़ टू हल्द्वानी, ट्रैवल, एवरीथिंग. बट I had given my commitment, and I wouldn't leave the show and go and get myself treated or जितना भी मुझे पता था. No, I thought कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा, I'll manage. I managed.
You actually did.
Yes, I managed quite well.
Yeah.
It was hard, but I managed. It was very hard, but I managed.
I want to ask you that, whenever you've done a show, everything has got to do a little bit with power. Your characters have had that power, right? We come from a space where women have not been given that agency for really long. But you come from a TV space where women have ruled. Men were not given that much agency as women were,
100%.
right? Do you think that innately, because you're a very strong woman yourself, you veer towards such characters? Like, this is a very powerful role. Queen Pin is
I
one.
think my real life personality somehow attracts all these kind of characters. I was just speaking to someone, I said somewhere, I think when the makers plan a show and if there's a certain character, I will get a call. वो बात की बात है, मुझे कैरेक्टर पसंद नहीं आएगा, या फिर maybe they don't find me fit in the character. But ऐसा कई बार होता है कि ऐसे power packed role होता है and I'm called. I will definitely get a call. So I think somewhere I feel it derives from the real life.
Absolutely, strength.
Yeah, I show I have or whatever. Yeah.
No, but I think that, everybody, whenever they speak about battling something, when they will talk about your journey, it will always be about surviving, because your story has been a story of survival and strength.
My story is not out there, first of all. I have just shared tiny little bits of my journey, let me tell you, Nayan. Nayan, I have so much to talk about, so many experiences to share. और मैं करूँगी, I promise you this. कब I don't know, but I will. Because जो मैंने शेयर किया है सोशल मीडिया पे, वो 5% भी नहीं है of what I have been through and what I'm going through. Not even 5%. या कैसे मैंने अपने आप को सिचुएशन से निकाला, कैसे स्ट्रेंथ दिखाई, या क्या किया, very empowering experiences. I have many to share with y'all, but at the right time.
But how do you manage to then hide that pain with that smile and that strength?
पता नहीं, I think, I don't know, I think the love around me, जैसे आपने बोला, I'm so sorry, 1 second. How do I manage to hide that pain? Yes, I'd like to share a small incident with you. I have, in this entire journey, I made sure that I think we had this discussion, I told you that I don't behave like a patient at home.
Absolutely, you don't.
I did not in this entire journey. At home, I was all alone. I have a mother at home who's completely dependent on me. And it was a very big shock for her, She also started having a lot of health issues after she got to know about my diagnosis. So I made sure, and she is one hell of a strong woman. उन्होंने मुझे इतना strength दिया है, and I made sure that I don't have to behave like a patient at home. But yes, there have been times where I have pretended, जिसके लिए मुझे कई बार रॉकी से डांट भी पड़ी है, that why are you pretending? You want to cry. It's okay. Sometimes it's okay to cry. But I still, ऐसा बहुत कम हुआ है, शायद 3 या 4 बार हुआ इस पूरी जर्नी में, जहाँ पर I wanted to cry, but just because mum's around, so I was not ready to cry. So thoda bahut pretense aaya, but apart from that, there was one moment in my journey where pretense played a very, very important part, and I am so happy I did that. When I was taken in for the surgery, doctors said it'll take 8 hours, and everybody knew. All my family was there in the hospital, but it took 15 hours in the surgery, and throughout, मुझे क्या, I was knocked out, मुझे तो कुछ भी नहीं पता है. I woke up after 15 hours, but I remember मैंने सब कुछ देख लिया था कि घड़ी कहाँ है, कहाँ क्या है उस OT में, and as soon as I woke up then when they woke me up, my first question was to the team, what time is it? And I straight up looked at the watch and I calculated. And they said it's 11:30 or something. And I was like, shit, I'm here 15 घंटे से? I was like, oh my God, बाहर क्या हो रहा होगा? I remember when they were wheeling me out from the operation theatre to the ICU. In that corridor, I could see at the end near the door, my entire family is standing worried. Only 3 thoughts came in my mind. Pehla, shit, they are all here. Abhi tak they are here. Second thought was, God, in pe kya beeti hogi? 15 hours, मतलब double time, हाँ? कितने बुरे bad thoughts आते हैं आपके दिमाग में.
Absolutely.
कभी-कभी ये भी आता है कि पता नहीं बता भी रहे हैं सही या नहीं बता रहे. And the third thought, Nayan, was, Hina, start. And what did I do? I just went to them. They stopped for, I think, 10 seconds. They stopped. I looked at my family, everyone, and I put up a smile, a brave smile on my face. And I said, I am okay. I held everyone's hand. I said, I'm okay. I was drowsy, but I just smiled and held their hands and I said, I'm okay. And then they took me in the elevator. Next day, they came in the ICU. When they met me, all my family members in the ICU, they said, everyone cried and said, Tumhari wo smile ne, that was pretense. But that smile gave them so much strength, Nayan, that day, कि वो 15 घंटे से 50 घंटे भी हो गए होते ना, they completely forgot.
That's
because
true.
of that smile.
That's true. You know, when I spoke to your director, that's why I said Queen Pin in the last question, because everybody says Kingpin, Kingpin, Kingpin. I think you're going to redefine that, because I remember that my mother's favorite role ever of a woman is Shabana Azmi from Godmother. Okay?
Oh, okay.
And there are very few and far, like these kind of roles come in very few and far in between, right, for actresses. But today that is changing. Do you feel that there is a, like, when you get a role like this, where you're completely like ruling the roost, smashing patriarchy in a different, you're a woman in a man's world, but you're actually like completely going at it. How do you think when you get such roles actually? Do these thoughts come?
No. Genuinely no. I mean, I only concentrate on my character कि मुझे ये character to the T निभाना है. I have to do justice to this character, and I had double pressure. मुझे सिर्फ लक्ष्मी नहीं play करना था.
Yeah.
I wasn't playing only Lakshmi. I was playing Rani as well.
Yes.
So the pressure was double. So I really couldn't think कि अच्छा okay, I am the one who's ruling. I am the main boss. I am the queen, but like you're saying, right? These thoughts, trust me, never ever crossed my mind. कि ऐसा कुछ होगा या we have big celebrities here, but it's my show. No, it's our show. Trust me, a show will not survive if you'll
like
not have a good ensemble cast.
Yeah.
A show, it's never a one-man show. It's
Absolutely.
Never. It's always a teamwork. I have always believed in it. And if this show does very well, I really hope, fingers crossed, if this show does really, really well for all of us, it is only and only going to be because of the entire team. Because you haven't seen the Bendu perform, you haven't seen Chunky perform, you haven't seen Rahul and rest of the actors perform in this show. And again, I'm repeating that every actor, even if they have performed for 2 minutes now, they have performed brilliantly.
Yeah.
Like the actors, आप क्वेश्चन ही नहीं कर सकते. शायद मुझे कर लो, मेरे अलावा आप किसी को क्वेश्चन नहीं
No,
कर
the
सकते.
director told me that when we were casting, I went in with who I wanted to cast in which character, and I wanted only actors.
Yeah.
And great actors, because if when you see, and he's a Bengali,
Yeah,
so he was
yeah,
telling
yeah.
me that, you know, when you see that, you will understand that everybody is cast because they fit that role really well. And when it comes out, we'll of course get to see. You said that beautifully. You know, usually we've seen Chunky sir doing comedy roles. He's great at it, and he's a great actor.
Oh, he was fab as Kazi. You
Yeah.
have to see. और उनको तो स्क्रिप्ट भी नहीं थी. वो मतलब उनको तो सेट पे स्क्रिप्ट मिलती थी, and then you like, अच्छा इसको ऐसे बोले, अच्छा इसको बस ऐसे बोलूँ क्या? ये ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है ना? हाँ, इससे ज़्यादा मतलब इसको ऐसे बोलो. हाँ, ये बेटर लग रहा है, इसको ऐसे बोलते हैं. You know, I learned so much from him that he's ready to take suggestions.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, he's a senior actor.
Absolutely.
And he's a veteran, but still he's ready to take suggestions and everything. That was really, you know, it motivates you to do better. Like दिबेंदु जी का एक एक्सपीरियंस मैं आपको बताऊं, जब उनको एक छोटे से कैरेक्टर के लिए एक बंदा आया था और उनको पैर से ऐसे, वो सोफे पे बैठे थे, उनको ऐसे पैर से मारना था उसको. तो शॉट शुरू होने से पहले मैं दूर खड़ी थी, मैं भी उस सीन में, मेरी एंट्री थी, बट मैं वहाँ दरवाजे से देख रही थी कि शॉट शुरू होने से पहले, उनको पैर लगाने से पहले उनने उसके पैर छुए कि सॉरी, आई एम गोइंग टू टच यू, मैं अपने पैर से आपको टच करूंगा, आई एम वेरी सॉरी, और उनके पैर छुए. आई वाज लाइक, ये सीखना है ना, ये सीखना है. सो इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट द शो, इट्स अबाउट द लर्निंग बिहाइंड द शो. With these, to work with these beautiful actors. Yeah, how to appreciate one another. How Rahul has appreciated me.
Yeah.
How he's appreciated me, hugged me. And he was so happy. That's so genuine. So this show has a lot of warmth.
Yeah.
And a lot of connect with each and every actor. So I really, really wish and I pray that it does very well. And there is a lot to look forward to. Let me tell you guys, there's a lot to look forward to.
You know, there are psychological thrillers that you've done, but this is a lot in that action space, right? You're getting to do a lot of action. I saw that scene in the trailer, and they very carefully cut the trailer, which is like a 75 seconds trailer, and where you see like you are ye hai kaun, basically ye Rani hai kaun, and then you are like masked with that
Sari.
kapra, and then you are just going at it. How much did you prep for the action, and how invigorating and liberating did you find to do action on screen?
Action is never easy, yeah.
It's
you know,
not.
it looks easy when you see it on screen. You know, visually it's a treat. Hi, kya maza aa raha hai. Khair, maine to whatever people do nowadays, maine to uska 1% bhi nahi kiya hai. But it's never easy. It's very difficult, yeah. You have to do one shot 10,000 times. It's not easy. गिरने का, लगने का, इसका, उसका. Oh my God! Then that sari, that pallu has to come out at the right time. It has to fall at the right time.
Yeah.
It's very difficult. So I mean, it's taxing, but it's fun.
Yeah.
For me, action is fun.
You know, when you look at your character in Griya Lakshmi, how I look at it, because I just got to know the bit of the story from your director. I'm not going to say it out aloud, because when you watch the trailer versus what he told me, there are snippets that I get to know how you land up and what you do and why you do it. I want to know from your character, how much of the character do you relate to as Hina? Because she is, like, if I say she is very understanding, she's very smart. And
she is smart, so
has
is
self-respect.
Lakshmi. So is
Yeah.
Lakshmi.
Yeah.
But if there's something I learned from Lakshmi, and I could resonate with Lakshmi, and if I have to say that something which I have taken back from the show or from the character Lakshmi is her courage. Rani is strong. Rani was always fierce. Ek baar Rani ban gayi to she's fierce, she's strong, you know. But Lakshmi has shown courage. So I relate to Lakshmi more.
Yeah.
Because usne courage dikha ke, she must, you know, you have to muster
Yeah.
that courage and then take that leap of faith. So that Lakshmi has done. So I really relate to Lakshmi a lot. वो courage दिखाया उसने.
And finally, so will we get to see a sequel? Is there a plan?
आप पसंद कीजिए तो sequel क्या, बहुत बहुत सारे seasons की line लग जाएगी. पर आप फिलहाल पसंद कीजिए. Do watch the show on 16th of Jan on Epicon.
And are there any other projects that you're planning to do
This
after
was
this?
the last I shot before my diagnosis, and I was supposed to start 2 other projects, but of course, because of my diagnosis, eventually they had to replace me, which is fair. It's a very long process of treatment,
Yeah.
and it was sad initially, but it's okay. Now, abhi hai na, I am all set. Let's shoot.
But Hina, you spoke about your smile. Because there are conversations that are between you and me, I want to tell the world that you've always just given out love, warmth, positivity with that smile. And I always tell you that I don't know, there are times when I go through shit in life, which is professional, personal, and I feel like giving up sometimes. But then I look at you, look at a few other people. There's Samantha who I look up to, you know that. And then I feel like, oh my
she is
God.
so strong. Yeah.
Yeah.
She's given me so much strength.
Yeah.
She's such a strong woman. So much strength she's given me.
And I think you give out a lot of strength to me, to us.
Checked on me, time and again checked on me. She's one of those women who's checked on me. I mean, you've taken her name, which is why I'm saying, but
Absolutely.
otherwise, there've been a lot of people, but what she's going through and the amount of courage she's showing, she's fab. She's fab.
I just love amazing and strong people. I have been raised by one, and I know that you will always be one of those who I will hold very, very, very close to my heart.
This is how the sky looks when I was born. Let me get up.
Sit.
Wait.
Sit.
Thank you, Leejan. Lots of love.
Just to health, prosperity, love, and always
loads
just
of work.
killing it.
Yes.
Killing it because we love you.
Yes.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.